Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I show you how to make Goan beef croquettes. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have with me handful of chopped coriander, 5 green chilies chopped. You can add more chilies if you want more spicy. Medium sized tomato chopped, 10 peppercorns, 4 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon jeera seeds, cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, small piece of cinnamon stick, 5 cloves of garlic chopped fine, small piece of ginger chopped fine, 3 medium sized onions chopped fine, 1 egg, 400 grams of beef which I have cut into small pieces. I have boiled it, roasted it with a pinch of turmeric, salt, 4 cloves, 4 peppercorns, small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 garlic cloves, small piece of ginger and 2 dry red chilies. You can use grounded beef as well. 2 tablespoons of vinegar, coconut vinegar, and semolina rava, and oil for frying and salt as per your taste. Here I have pan with me with 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll add onions, tomatoes, we will saute it till it is nice and translucent. Onion and tomato is done. Now we'll add all these ingredients. And we will saute it for a minute. Now we'll add our beef. Mix well. Now we'll add the vinegar. Again we'll mix well. We'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Now we'll allow the mixture to cool down. Our mixture is cooled down. Now we'll add it to the mixer. Add the egg. Now we'll grind this mixture. Our grounded mixture is ready. We'll take a small amount of the mixture. And now we'll roll it in the semolina rava. Same way we need to do it all. Our croquettes are ready. Now let's fry them. Here I have pan with me with oil which is nice and hot. Now let's fry the croquettes. Now we'll turn them. Our croquettes are now fried. It has got nice golden brown color on all sides. So now let's remove them. Our Goan beef croquettes are ready. Please try them at home and let me know how is it. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.